Hello, Georgie. Time to float?
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Pennywise tutorial for you. It is very easy. I have this bit of fake blood hanging here and I feel like it's soon about to drop, but it's not. It's just hanging there and wiggling and it's just very annoying. Pennywise, three colors. Maybe a bit of fake blood, you don't even need that. But if you want to, I just add it for the dramatic effect. Yeah, it's my second look, clown look for this Halloween. There will be one more and then that's about it. But again, I don't really care what time of the year it is. I will do Halloween looks all year round. So, hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you do, because I didn't say that in the ending of the video. So, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with the video. Hello! So, if, again, you've seen the intro, you know if this look turned out the way I wanted it to work out. I'm not really sure. We're just gonna get started. Again, I have this very beautiful Halloween makeup palette here. Again, I'm gonna use my fingers to put the white on. Also, again, a very easy look because if you're anything like me and you're very spontaneous and like, oh, we're going to a Halloween party, you don't really have a lot of time to do. Maybe I should get a reference picture. I know what Pennywise looks like, but just to be very sure, I got them head clowns. In case you haven't seen the first one, I'm doing this to overcome my fear of clowns, and so far it's not working. Is anyone surprised? No. I don't think I will do too much around my eye area, because I will make that blackish. We'll be getting it into my eyebrows. Also a little down my neck. Maybe the ears as well. Not too much, because getting rid of that in the shower is already a challenge, I can tell you this. So I think there's just enough left of white to do the third and final look for this video series. Of course, like I said, I don't care what time of the year it is. I will do a clown look in the middle of July. I don't care. So if I come up with something, I have another Snapchat filter here. This one. That's also kind of a clown. So maybe I do that around Christmas. Like, you know, I don't really care what time of the year it is. I'm gonna set this again with a bit of powder. Again, I have baby powder here. Just a tiny bit. Also, it doesn't really matter if this looks kicky, because Pennywise looks kicky AF. So contrary to the Joker, we actually have seen it, both of the movies. And can I just say that James McAvoy is such a good actor. Oh my god. He's amazing. I love him. Plus, he has a Scottish accent. You know, he is Scottish, which makes everything 10 times better. I think I'm going to very quickly do the eyes. And for that, I actually have, again, my Signature palette by Blush Wrap, which is, by the way, the only palette that I have that has a black shadowing. Think about that. Okay, ooh, hi. I totally forgot to do my nose here. What the hell? And then set it again with baby powder, because I don't have a translucent powder. It looks like a mess. And it probably won't look better. I take the angled blending brush by Look Good, Feel Better. There you go. That's what it looks like. Take some black. Sort of easy, I guess, right? Then we blend it out into oblivion. It's like it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. Well, it looks nice on camera, but geez, quite in reality, it's just like, it's like a dark gray. Oh my god. Also, my makeup inspired looks, aka the things that I do here, these are meant to be for people who maybe don't really have a lot of time to do this, right? Or for people who don't have the professional makeup. Like, I'm not trying to make this look nice and beautiful and have like a beautiful winged liner or whatever. No. We are doing very quick looks that everyone can recreate. I will quickly do the nose, basically just all over. I look like a panda with a mixture of Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny. Oh god. I'm in the Christmas mood already. I'm in the Christmas mood 24/7. You know, it's funny the way my brain thinks. I don't hate these colors. They are good. You know, if you don't have any professional makeup around, just go to the drugstore or to the supermarket or whatever and then get these colors. They're not that bad. But there's also better makeup out there. Which I know, obviously, but yesterday I was just thinking to myself, because we go grocery shopping today, I was like, maybe I could buy a new palette like this, because this one is old and this one stinks. But then I keep complaining about how awful this is. It just doesn't make sense at all. So I go in with this red. Ah, there we go. Oh my god, that movie was so good. And can I just say, if you have seen the movie, they did such a good job with casting, like the grown-up versions of the kids. So good. They literally look the same. It's unbelievable. I feel like this is a bit too red, so I just go in with black. Maybe just dabbing it on with this, make it a bit darker. Even though Pennywise is a clown, he's also very, like, he's not, you know, like he's an asshole, basically. It's a bit too much though, isn't it? Like, around here. And here. I feel like the black is a bit too much. There you go. Maybe just like this. And again, put the white on. Have I told you how much I hate clowns? Yes. And spiders. My best friend, she once, I was still in school. We were both in school back then. She sent me, it was like 11 p.m. or so, like right before I went to bed. She sent me a picture of clown spiders. And I was like, I didn't want to sleep anyways. Okay, so very quickly, like, in fact I have this here, black liner. I want to quickly line my lips. I hope it didn't come here next Friday. Amazing. Tutorial, because this is not it. The red lipstick that I have, just fill it in. You know what? Why not? Then he has lines up from the corner of his mouth to the eyes and leave up. Okay. Up like this. Now get the other side to look the same. Fuck. Maybe I should just go in with my lipstick here, because clearly there's more pigmented than the others. Can you think it is so easy to get a straight line? This is not even a straight line. Oh my god. And she gets fake blood on. Okay, well, I'll put some fake blood on. Again, this blood is also very old. I don't know how well it's gonna how well it's gonna be. Oh, it's gonna be messy. Oh my god. Ew. So this is basically it. I'm waiting for this like drop of fake blood to actually fall down, because that would be funny. So very easy, quick Pennywise tutorial. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. It actually tastes fucking disgusting. Oh my god. Hello, Georgie. Georgie. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god. What was that one quote that he had with "Nobody loves a clown"? Same.